Possible ba mag-travel sa Indonesia in one day? Yes, of course! Kung hanap nyo ay adventure plus relaxation, this place is for you. This is Anmon Glamping Resort located in Bintan, Indonesia. We took a ferry at 8 a.m. from Singapore to Bintan and travel time is around 35 minutes to 45 minutes. Since 12 p.m. pa yung check-in, we decided na to check out the sunrise and to start our activity. Isa nga sa pinaka nilook forward namin na activity is ang ATV. Pero akala namin yung ATV nila ay yung maliliit, but yung malalaki at mabigat at ang hirap niyang i-drive. But yes, thanks to our trainer na talagang sinamahan kami until the end of our journey. Super kami nag-enjoy and of course, muntik na magbanggaan. Dahil nagutom kami at sobrang pagod, we decided to relax and we found this place. Ito yata yung pinakamalaking lagoon or parang pool na nakita ko sa buong buhay ko. Take note, this is all just inside the resort. Hindi pa kami lumalabas. And see, the view is so relaxing. It's time to check our glamping area. So this will be our tent or parang room. And it looks like this inside. And tingnan nyo, may pa-surprise sila because it's my birthday. After namin naman check-in, nag-nap muna kami saglit and then, syempre nag-ready na kami para umawra. It's my birthday so hindi pwedeng walang videos. So while taking video, meron pa palang additional na surprise from Trish and Sam. So kung plan nyo mag-celebrate ng birthday at may gusto kayong i-surprise, this place is for you. At around 4 p.m, since hindi na masyadong mainit, talagang nag-swimming na kami. By the way, Sam and Trish are my workmates. So first time namin mag-travel outside Singapore. Kaya naman, talagang nilubos namin ang buong araw namin together. Guys, ang massage dito is 10 out of 10. And guys, another highlights of the day, yung movie night while having dinner. Grabe, ang saya. Well, nagpapatunaw ng aming kinain. Siyempre, nagchikahan muna kami kung kailan mag-aasawa yung dalawa. Char! And yes guys, ang sarap ng tulog namin kaya gutom na gutom kami sa umaga. After breakfast, ayan, activity na naman yung inatupag namin. So we rented a scooter para maikot yung buong resort. We found this parang stairway to heaven. Ito yung nakikita namin sa Instagram. Well guys, hindi talaga enough yung one day. But well, something is better than nothing. All I can say is I really enjoyed my birthday. Thank you for accommodating my request, guys. Love you both. We took the last ferry at 2 p.m. pauwi ng Singapore. Pero kung gusto nyo mas maaga, they have 8 a.m. trip. If you have more questions, comment down below. Bye!